In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel filter on your Ford Focus. This will be located in front of the gas tank under the vehicle. Let's get started. Open the fuse box in the engine bay. We're going to remove the fuel pump relay. Remove the relay. If you use a pair of pliers, be very careful not to break the relay. With the relay out, go into the car, start the car, and let it die out. It should stall out after about a minute. Install the relay. Close the box. Remove the plastic clips. This one's broken. This one's going to come out easily. Once you have it in the unlock position, we can pop the hose off. Be careful, gas may come out. It's good to have a drip tray under you. To remove the clips, we're going to get one in the top. Then we're going to push these tabs over to the side. When we push them over to the side, they'll go into the unlock position. Get it into the unlock position and pull the hose off. Caution, gas may come out. Pull the hose off of the filter. Using an 8mm socket, remove the bolt for the filter bracket. Remove the filter from the car. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to loosen the bolt on the bracket. You do not have to fully remove this bolt, just get it loose enough so you can slide the filter out. Install the filter into the bracket. Be sure it's facing the correct way. We're going to remove the white clips. Snug the bolt down. Install the filter and bracket. I have it mostly lined up. Then I have my bolt in the socket. We'll get the bolt started by hand. Snug it down. Install the plastic clip into the line. You can put it in the fully locked position. Take the little cover off of the fuel filter, push the line up into place. You'll hear it click. You can give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. We'll do the same process on the top one. Install the plastic clip into the line. Get it into that fully locked position. Pull the cap off of the fuel filter and install the line. Push until you hear that click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.